Hello techies! Today we have a task here to turn on Windows Firewall to public and allow the following additional services. So let's start up. We'll go to a start menu, we'll go to control panel. We can just type in control panel here so that it just takes us to control panel. Now we're in control panel, we'll go to systems and security, Windows Firewall. We scroll down to private isn't connected. What are we doing here? We are to allow turn on Windows Firewall for public network. Alright, so let's go to Windows Firewall for public network. Private, guest, public network not connected, domain network not connected, guest or public network. This is not connected. Okay. Alright, so turn firewall on off, and then we'll go to turn on firewall. This is domain network, and we want this public network too. This is public network. We turn it on. Okay, is there any other thing we need to do? Yep. We have to allow the following additional services. So we go to allow apps, and the first one we have is key. So we scroll down to key management has to be turned on. Alright, so select it and then turn on for public. Click on change settings rather, and then make it public. It's done. So what else do we have? We have app named Arch90. So we go Arch90 is not there. There's nothing like Arch90. So because that is not there, we're going to allow another app. Select Arch98 and we add. So this is Arch98. We remove it from domain and make it public. What else do we need to add? AP configuration. AP configuration is not available here, so we're going to allow AP configuration, AP config. Yeah, AP configuration, but this is AP config. So we add it, and this is AP config. We remove it from domain and make it public. So this is done. There's nothing else we need to do. So click on OK, and everything seems to be fine. We'll go ahead and score lab. This was helpful. Remember to share, like, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.